Welcome to this 10-minute evening yoga flow. This is a quick and gentle evening stretch. All levels are welcome. Let's get started in a child's pose. Bring your knees wide, heels together, and your hips can sit back any amount. Your fingers reach towards top of mat. Forehead comes down to ground. Feel your belly press into thighs here as you take a big inhale through nose. Exhale, side out. Big breath in, fill up. Exhale everything out. One more together like this. Big inhale, fill up belly. Exhale everything out. Shift forward, come into hands and knees, tabletop. We'll take a few rounds of cat and cow together. On an inhale, drop belly, gaze forward. Exhale, press ground away, cat, round spine, tuck the chin. Inhale for cow, belly drops, heart shines forward. Exhale, cat, round spine, tuck the tailbone. Inhale for cow. Exhale, cat. Take a few rounds of these cat and cows at your own pace. Inhaling for your cows and exhaling for your cats. When you're ready, come back into a neutral tabletop. Reach your right arm up towards sky. Exhale, thread your right arm underneath the left hand for thread the needle. Right temple, right shoulder comes down to the ground. You can crawl your left fingertips forward, open up through the shoulder blades here, and breathe into this twist. Feel your left shoulder opening. Crawl your left hand back under shoulder. Unthread your right arm. Reach it back up towards sky. And then place it back down to ground. Left arm reaches up. Exhale. Thread the needle. Left arm loops under the right. Left temple, left shoulder to ground. And you can crawl your right hand towards the top of mat. Feel your shoulder blades pulling apart. Breathe into your right shoulder. And crawl your right hand back underneath the right shoulder. Unthread the needle, left arm reaches up and back down to the ground. In your tabletop, tuck your toes. Downward facing dog, send the hips back. Straighten the knees. You can keep a generous bend in the knees here, especially as you pedal out your feet. Straighten one leg, bend the other knee. Switch it out a few times. And feel your hamstrings stretch. Let your head hang heavy here. Shake out your head. Yes, no, yes, no. And press the ground away. Shoulders are soft. Feel your backside body lengthen. On an inhale, come up to your tiptoes. Gaze towards the top of your mat. The bottom of your exhale, take baby steps up to the top of your mat. Come into a ragdoll pose. Grab for opposite elbows. Let your upper body hang heavy. Your neck is having no effort there, just letting it hang. You can sway from left to right. And let your belly rest onto the thighs here. Generous bend in the knees. Place both palms onto the ground. Step your left leg back for a low lunge. Shift forward and back, moving from your back left toes. Get a nice stretch for your back left sole. Come back into some stillness. Your left hand plants underneath your left shoulder. Reach your right arm up towards the sky for an easy twist here. And then place your right palm back down to the ground outside of your right foot. Take a big step in with your left foot. Forward fold over the legs. Inhale for a halfway lift. Your hands come to shins. Crown reaches forward, long spine. Exhale, fold over the legs. Plant both hands down to ground. Extend your right leg out long behind you. And shift forward and back from your back toes. Get a nice stretch for the bottoms of your right foot. Come back to some stillness. Right hand plants underneath right shoulder. Left arm reaches up. Easy twist. Place your left palm back down to the ground, framing your left foot. Take a step back with your left leg. Come back into a tabletop. And send your hips back for a child's pose. Arms reach forward. Heels sit back. Your hips sit back any amount. Take 2 deep breaths here. Long, slow inhales through nose. Exhale out. Big breath in together. Exhale out. Shift weight forward, come back into an easy seat. On an inhale, lift your arms up overhead. Exhale, plant your right palm down, left fingertips reach towards the right. A nice side stretch on your left side body. Inhale, both arms back up overhead. Exhale, other side, left hand plants. Right fingertips reach towards the left. Get a nice side stretch on the right side body here. Inhale to come back to center, sit up tall. Exhale, twist right. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, twist left. Inhale, arms come back up overhead, center. Exhale, hands come through heart center. And hands can rest on your thighs or knees. You can sit in a comfortable position, kneeling over the legs or cross-legged. Shoulders stacked over the hips. Crown reaches up towards the sky. Sit up tall. Send a soft gaze down past the tip of your nose. If it feels comfortable, you can close the eyes. We'll take 3 breaths together to close out our evening practice. Take a big inhale through nose, fill up the belly. Exhale, open mouth, sigh. 2 more together. Big breath in, fill up. Exhale, sigh. Last one, biggest breath yet of the day. Exhale, let it all go. Take a moment to check in with how you are feeling now after a bit of breath and movement. I hope you feel nice and stretched out and ready for your evening ahead. Thank you so much for joining me today in our evening flow. If you want to see more yoga flows like this, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Great work today. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.